So this is the replacement dictaphone that I received from Mrobo. It does hold a charge. The only problem is that this button here seems to not operate properly. Now on the web page it says that that's a stop key and a recording key, so I assume that I can press recording and I can stop it using this one. But it seems like it does not stop. I can pause it and I still can't stop it, and I can resume it. The menu key doesn't do anything here. The other keys work though, it seems. Volume up and down. Or the other keys don't do anything right now. Yeah, I can pause it, but I can't stop it, so I can't go out of the recording. And this is a brand new unit. See, it still has the plastic on it. So it's just really poor build quality here. I mean, it feels solid and nice in the hand, but when it doesn't work and it's in Chinese, it doesn't really help. I mean, I can't even go to change it. Or I can go and change it, but I can't get out of this menu. So, again, pretty useless. I'm going to try to hold the M key, which is the menu key, but it also turns the power on and off. Let's see if that works. So I've been holding it for a couple of seconds now. No. Oh, I can't use this dictaphone here, and especially my grandparents can't use it because I bought it for them. So this is pretty useless. Do not buy this.